Hey everyone, so this video is a watch me work. So in this video I'll be working on a set of press-on nails that are my Halloween edition. Very early to release them, I know, but loads of people have been loving them. So they're called All Eyes on You. You will see how I do them all step by step. Everything will be listed down in the description, so just stay tuned. I will have loads more videos out for you of watch me work. Let me know what you think. If you enjoy these, I'll carry on making them. All honest opinions are welcome. So I hope you enjoy.
So here are the press-on nails I'm working with. They have been painted with a Mylee Stalker Black, and the white I'm using is Break the Ice by Mylee as well. I'm just using the dotting tool to create more bigger circles for the eyes in this look. So here I am using a red by Mylee, and this is where I kind of create the bloodshot look in eyes. So where you have the red veiny look in an eye to make it more dramatic. I'm using a really thin nail art brush to do this. Don't worry if it gets a bit messy, because you can see later on in the video you can always pull off this kind of look. This is perfect for Halloween, or if you just like the kind of spooky nail effect. So this is where I just do that veiny eye effect throughout the whole set. I'll just let you watch this bit. So in every part of this design, I have cured it for 60 seconds. So at this point, I get my yellow, I get any other colour that I really fancy, and I just create the dots. That's all I'm doing, is just putting these dots next to the veiny bloodshot eye look, because then you will start to see the look develop and how amazing it actually looks towards the end. So once again, after I've done this, I cure it for 60 seconds. So like in the last clip, this is where I just do the whole set of the colours. With this, you can literally just pick any colour of your choosing. I thought brighter colours and more non-natural colours would look a lot better and bring more to the effect. So after that has cured for 60 seconds, the next step would be is to get your black that you use on the base and to just use the smallest part of your dotting tool and just dab little black dots on top of the colour that you have chosen to use as the main colour with your eyes. This is another step on how to make it 10 times more dramatic. So make sure to cure this for 60 seconds underneath your UV light. Do be patient with this because you don't want to be very quick with it and then get it wrong, because then you'll be a whole different level of stress. So right now, obviously I'm showing you the nails. So that went under light for 60 seconds and now you get your white that you use for the main circles and use the smaller part of the tool just to dab on the center or the corner of the black dots you done. This is what brings the whole eye look together, and you will see at the end of the video how amazing this does actually look. When everything's all done, it does actually come together perfectly. But make sure you cure this for 60 seconds underneath the light as well. So we are so close to the end and look how beautiful these are already looking. So the next step would be to put the base coat all over. This will literally just smooth out the whole nails and bring the extra security. Sorry, I cannot talk today. So I do that with all the nails, and once I've done this all over, I cure it for 60 seconds. Make sure you get a good layer of base coat all over these. You don't want the eyes to be feeling horrible. You want it all to feel nice and soft. So you cure that for 60 seconds, and the next part is the most important part. You then put your non-wipe top coat or normal top coat on top. And how satisfying is this part? Literally, you could use a shiny top coat or you could use a matte. It's whatever you would prefer. I personally prefer a shiny top coat over a matte one. But I do this all over the nails and then I cure it for another 60 seconds. So, how beautiful do these look? They actually look stunning, don't they? So this next step, no one really ever sees this, but I thought I'd add this in. When it comes to press on nails, I always have to file off the uneven edges. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm using my Candy Coat 100 to 180 file. Honestly, probably the best file I've got. So I just put these onto the card, as you can see. This is all I do during this whole time. At some point I do get my duster and I do wipe off all the dust that does come off from filing. But I'll let you watch this bit and make sure to keep tuned, because the ending result will be what the client is seeing when they receive the nails. So I hope you enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more Watch Me Work. And I hope you have a lovely day.